Hey there, and thank you so much for purchasing your Neurospire Instagram puzzle grid template. This template is designed to create something really fun, 15 individual Instagram posts that come together as one beautiful, unified image on your profile grid. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, even if you've never used Canva before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize, download, split, and post your puzzle correctly. Now, your puzzle template may look different, depending on which version you've purchased. For this demo, I'll be using the Wildflower Whisper version. So, let's get started. First, open the instructions you received with your purchase. On page 1, you'll see a button that says, "Click here for access to your template." Go ahead and click that link, and it will open your design inside Canva. To use the template, you'll need a free Canva account. If you already have one, just log in. If not, no worries. It only takes a minute to create one. Go to canva.com, click Sign Up, choose Google or email login, and you're ready. Once the template opens, I highly recommend one quick step before editing. Rename the design at the top so you always have a clean original saved. For this demo, I'm just going to name it IG template. And then, on to the fun part, customization. The short answer is, everything is editable. But most customers usually update just 3 things: the images, the brand colors, the text, or quotes. You'll notice that your template has multiple versions, one for those who have a pro-level Canva account, and one for those that use the free version. Pro-level has some images and graphics in the background that aren't available to free users, so you'll get an alert if you were to try and use it while still being on a free account. Scroll to the template that's right for you and start your editing from there. To change an image, click directly on the photo frame, then either upload your own photo from your computer or drag and drop a new image right into the frame. Canva will automatically crop it into place. If the colors don't match your brand, you can absolutely adjust them. Just click any colored element, then choose a new color from your brand palette. You can also apply brand colors to the design all at once. Same with fonts. Click text, select your font style, and update your wording. Or select your brand kit and apply your saved text styles to the full design. Once your design looks perfect, it's time to download. This is a key step. Do not download all pages. You only want to export the single completed full image first. Now, we turn one big design into 15 separate Instagram posts. You have 2 options here. The first method is a free website called Pine Tools. Go to pinetools.com/split-image. Upload your downloaded file. Then choose Split Type, Both, Grid, Rows, 5, Columns, 3. Then click Split Image. That creates your 15 puzzle tiles instantly. You can download the posts one at a time or as a zip file. I'm going to choose zip file. Remember, when you get ready to post, you're going to start with the last file and work your way in reverse. That way, once they're all posted, they'll line up to show the completed puzzle. Now, if you'd rather stay inside Canva, you can use their built-in image splitter app. I recommend starting with a fresh canvas for ease. Choose the social media 4:5 ratio. From there, you're going to use the splitting process. On the left menu, click Apps and then search Image Splitter or just Splitter. Select the app. Upload your exported design file. Then, again, select rows 5, columns 3. Don't worry about adding borders, though you can if you want to. Select Add Images as New Pages, and Canva will generate all 15 tiles for you. If you do choose to add a border, just know this will break up your puzzle a bit more in the final feed view, but some do prefer a clean white border around each post. From there, you'll start posting. And remember, the most important part, posting order. To make the puzzle appear correctly on your Instagram grid, you must start with the bottom right tile first. The template even marks this with a pink start in the mockups. Post in this order. Start bottom right, then move left, and then continue upward, row by row in the same fashion. If you were to post from tile number 1 at the top and work your way down, the puzzle will appear upside down on your profile, and several frames won't line up. Of course, the good part of Instagram is you can always delete and start fresh if you mistakenly load a wrong post and end up out of order. And that's it. You now have a fully customized Instagram puzzle grid that looks stunning on your profile. If you ever get stuck, have questions, or want help customizing for your brand, feel free to message me anytime through Etsy. And if you love this template, favorite our shop for more creative tools, branding resources, and mindful design products from Neuraspire. Thanks again, and happy posting.